Today, we are not just planting trees, we're planting the future. This tree planting activity is about more than just putting saplings in the ground. It's about taking concrete action for a greener, more sustainable world. But beyond their ecological significance, trees also hold deep cultural and spiritual meaning. They symbolize growth, resilience, and the interconnectedness of all living things. Planting a tree is an act of hope, a belief in the future, and a commitment to leaving a positive legacy for generations to come. By embracing sustainability, we are choosing to live in harmony with nature, make responsible choices, and to build a future that is both prosperous and environmentally sound.